Hello, this is him with Review Duo, here to do an unboxing of the Canon Vixia HF100 flash-based high-definition camcorder. And what we're going to do is just pop this open and see what's inside. Well, in the top is a tray, and with that you of course get Canon's limited warranty registration card. You also get a sealed packet, and inside is the Canon digital video solution disc. This is for Macintosh and Windows. You also get the bundled Pixela Image Mixer 3 SE version 1.1 disc. You also get some very basic specs and tutorials here in different languages. Image Mixer 3 SE manual. And the Canon Vixia HF10 and 100 manual, since they're both very similar. You can see it's fairly thick, fairly comprehensive, comes in 3 languages. Okay, inside the box we've got the camcorder itself. There she is, she's a beauty. Very nice. I'll be doing a review later on, so I'm just going to focus on what's inside the packaging for now. There it is. You also get, appears to me, 2 pieces here. This is the power adapter for the camcorder if you should want to run it off of a wall jack. I also think this the charger may be incorporated with this too. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's just 2 pieces to the AC adapter. Okay, we have 2 different types of cables here. We've got the very basic audio-video cable, AV cables here, with your video and stereo left and right, and a 1/8" jack here to accommodate all 3 of those that I imagine plugs into the side of the camcorder. And this appears to be component outputs for better resolution and high definition. You can see it has a little sort of mini USB type cable or a little proprietary connector. And then your component video. We also get a tiny remote to control the camcorder, and it appears it has all of the tools and menu buttons mimicking what's on the camcorder itself. Little strap. This is a USB cable, and as you can see, it's standard USB to mini USB. And the battery that comes with it. That should snap right into here. Like that. So there we have it, the unboxing of the Canon HF100 camcorder, and look for a review coming soon in the next week. Thank you.